So we're calling it the Vaden Kumbaya Garden.
Unveiling the Vaden Kumbaya Courtyard, Beaufort Elementary School is excited Vaden Automotive raced in to help renovate their outdoor garden areas. The company fixed up the waterfall and pond area, created garden beds and more. The school is very thankful for all the work Vaden did and can't wait to get students out in the gardens to learn.
This is a legacy gift. It's something that we'll be doing for years to come. They have the opportunity to plant, to work in this garden, to eat the vegetables then that they grow. So it's something that will impact all of our students from pre-K all the way through 5th grade, and something that will last them and give them those memories of Beaufort Elementary School.
Vaden is proud of its partnership with the school and is happy they could help improve the outdoor learning spaces.
We asked the school for a wish list of what they needed, and this was on the list, and this was something that our team could come over and actually literally get their hands dirty and work to make this a reality for the kids in the school. And it's something permanent, which is really, really neat, that kids for years will be able to enjoy some outside time during their busy school days.
The school will also be teaming up with other organizations in our community who will help engage students in several outdoor projects and activities.
We are also partnering with the Gullah Farm Cooperative. They're going to help support us in our work here, working with different grade levels on different planning projects. We hope to also involve Clemson Extension in this project as well. So it's just an all-around good community building project that, we're looking for that support and just helping our students understand this process.
The Vaden Kumbaya Courtyard is located in the middle of the school off both sides of the atrium. At Beaufort Elementary School, Round Oaks, Beaufort County School District.